Welcome to another tutorial. This video will be dedicated to YouTube scheduling, which I've been searching on YouTube for how to schedule videos ahead. Let's say you shoot 3-4 videos in one day, right? And you want to upload them within the next 3, 4, 5 days. Well, based on what I checked so far, everybody's talking about how to schedule one video or 2 or 3 or 5 with paid third-party software and all that. You don't need none of that if you're a YouTuber. Actually, YouTube provides you that tool for free. When you go to upload a video, right here, you click upload a video. And in this case, we're just going to do a test. Let me just drop something just complete nonsense. We're going to cancel this one. I'm just uploading it. So you're gonna learn, and we're gonna call it test. We're gonna get rid of all that because we don't need. Let's see, test. Here you add all your information. Let's say you added your thumbnail and all that is good, right? Now you click next. You want to add end of video cards or not, that's up to you. You click next again. You wait for the checks to make sure you don't have any copyrighted material so YouTube doesn't demonetize you or whatnot. You click next again. When it comes time to upload, in here in this section, you don't touch the upper part. You go to schedule. On schedule, this video, for example, will be seen on July 10th. And today is July 7th. As I speak to make this video. So you will see this on July 10th. And as you see, here's my timing on the bottom of my screen. It's July 8th right now, actually just past midnight. But you get the point. In this case, you click schedule and the video will be uploaded to YouTube. That's very easy. In the end product of this video, you will not see this intro that I just uploaded. You will see this video that I just made speaking to you. How to delete this video? Well, that's very easy here. You go to more actions, delete forever. I understand, delete forever. And as you see, the videos that hopefully you watched on yesterday, before yesterday and yesterday are here. They were all scheduled. And as I speak, they're up to be uploaded tomorrow and after tomorrow. And that's very easy. You don't need to pay anything. It's free from YouTube itself. I hope this video helped out somebody out there, and we'll see you next time. Hope you learned something. Bye. Have a great day.